Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel RC with Jacquard. In the previous video we have unboxed our FlySky FS-i6 transmitter and discuss about some features of this transmitter, and also I have told about this 10 channel receiver also. In this video we are doing a very important part, which is connecting a transmitter to its receiver, and which is a very important part of any flies or RC hobbies. So as we have our 10 channel FlySky FS-i810B receiver, which is a 10 channel receiver and work on 2.4 GHz and have voltage from 4 to 6.5 volt DC, and here it has LED for indicating power as well as binding status. Here are 10 channel pins. The lower one are the ground pins and middle one are the 5 volt supply, and the uppermost are the signal pins. Here these two channels are for iBus signals. This one is the receiver and this one is for transmitter. Sorry for inconvenience. So if you are having problem how to bind your transmitter to receiver, you are on the right place. We will do it in very simple way. First of all, we will connect this binding cable to our receiver in the B/VCC port, which says it's a binding port, and connect it. It will simply connect the signal wire to the ground. That's all. And now we have to power it on. You have two options for powering it on. Either you can use 5 volt battery pack, or you can use the power from ESC. ESC has a 5 volt inbuilt power supply, so it can power the receiver. So powering up, I am using a 3 cell battery ESC, and for signal detection we will use this brushless motor, and I have connected the signal pin to the uppermost, and which middle one is the 5 volt and the last one is ground. Now connect it to the battery and it will sound like that's a signal of sound, and now it's blinking fast. It's not bind. So for binding we will press and hold this little key. It is the bind button, and press and hold and power it on. Oh, it's bind. Now this receiver is bind to this transmitter and it's not flashing rapidly, means it's bind. Now if we power on, it will detect the signal and we will see the receiver signal in this one. You can see the receiver battery. We have to unplug it and remove the binding cable, and also power off the transmitter and connect the power supply, and also we will connect the servo motor also to the channel 1. That's all. Now power on the transmitter. Let's power it again, and now receiver is connected and LED is solid, so it means our receiver is connected. Actually my battery was down, so I improvise with the power supply to the receiver by using this mobile phone adapter and as it supplies 5 volt, it's working just fine. So now it's connected again. I have used 3 servos for 3 channels. You can see the motion of our servos are proportional to the motion of our key. Next, on the channel number 3, which is for the throttle, I also use this servo because my battery is not working anymore without battery, so I am using this servo motor to demonstrate. So it's working fine. It means our transmitter and receiver have bind successfully and they are communicating with each other very fine. So for now, that's all in this video. In the next video we will discuss about the basic functions of our FlySky FS-i6X transmitter and discuss how to set up a basic setup of the transmitter. And thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe this video. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, please do comment, and if any suggestion, I'm open to all of you. Thank you guys.